see how I installed this new Halfwig. Keep watching. Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Sorry I've been gone for so long, and if you're new here, my name is LaPortia. Today I'm here with a hair tutorial, kind of review thing. I ain't gonna lie, I was about to just put my wig on and go on about my life, but I was like, you know what? I haven't recorded for them in a while, so let me do it. Anyways, I had ordered from Sam's Beauty because they had a sale, which they always have a sale. And I had ordered a few synthetic wigs. You know I'm all about synthetic and human. I don't discriminate. So I ordered 2 of these in the color Dr27613, which is this color I'm about to put on now. It's synthetic. I ordered 2 because I know the hair only lasts a month. It came out maybe in 2018, 2019. So I've had this hair before. So I just wanted to do a review on it. And I wanted some color because, you know, I'm scared to put color in my own hair. And my hair's been growing and growing, so I'm not even going to try it. I'm just going to play around with it. And when that dull out, throw the other one on. And it's on sale right now for $9. So normally it is $25. So $9, you can't beat that. But I ordered 2 of those. And I ordered this one, which is like a body wave in Dr27613, which is the same exact as this one. So if I want to do a wavy look, I can also. But this hair, you can actually use heat in it. So if you want to flat iron it or wave it up, it's safe up to 400 degrees. It was saying on the front. So synthetic ain't like Barbie hair where it's gonna melt. Just letting you know. And I ordered this wig, which is my favorite. I have a video on this. I'll put the link below if you haven't seen it, but it's my little favorite curly wig, which honestly, I spent $200 on a curly wig last year and it was beautiful. You can wet it and go swimming in it, but it only lasts 6 months. And that was from, was it Julia's hair? I think Julia's hair. And it was beautiful, but it lasts only 6 months. And I feel like if it's human hair, it need to last over a year because I've bought plenty of hair that's human hair and it normally lasts me a year, like True Glory or Bellamy. I've actually ordered me some more Bellamy just because I like to order me a fresh batch, but my old hair is still good and it's over a year now. So anyways, like I said, got me a few synthetic wigs. So if you want to check out Sam's Beauty, those 4 wigs I got ended up coming out to $40 because it's a sale going on and I had a coupon, of course. So it ended up coming around $40. The curly wig cost a little bit more, but the other 3 were like $9 a piece. So yes, I highly recommend that if you are looking for some wigs. But I'm gonna try this on for you before I put it on myself. So this wig has combs at the top and at the bottom. It's a half wig, not a U part. So, you know, so when you do it, do a part like this, or you can do it as a headband wig, which is what they've been doing now. Just throw it on and throw a headband up there. So I'm gonna show you how it looks. It also has the drawstring, if I didn't say that already. So yeah. So if you haven't seen my videos, a certain way I like to put on my half wigs if I'm not using a headband, and most of the time I don't. So I part here because I want to keep out the least hair I can, especially when the wig is two-toned because the top is dark, the bottom is light, and my hair's pretty long. I don't want to cover up a little bit of that light. I just want it to, you know, stick where the dark is, if you understand what I'm saying. Anyways, I parted here. Part don't gotta be perfect, and it sure isn't perfect, but whatever. So get something tied up, you know. And then Then from here, you can either put the headband on, or if you want, you can put a little bit more up, which I think I will do, because this part, like I said, is so long. Do your edges. You can put some back like this, which I think I might do. My hair grew a lot from the last time I had this wig, because before, I think my hair in the front was probably stopping here. And I cut a lot of this last year because when my hair is wet, the curls that are kind of straight, I just chop them off. I know it sounds crazy, but it's been working for me. But anyways, this is how it looks. People with shorter hair might look out better than I am, but that's how it looks in the back. And then that's the side. I'm gonna fix this. But I love it. Like I said, I might put a headband or something. I don't know. Y'all, I fixed it the best way I could. I kind of had to tuck my long pieces behind my ear because my hair has grown out so much since the last time I had it. I really want to dye my natural hair this color, but I ain't ready for it yet. It seems like if you have long hair, your best bet, if you want this wig, is, like I said, either do it how I just did it, which I need to fix up a little bit. And all I did was, like I said, tuck it behind my ear. Sorry, I didn't put that on camera because I was struggling. Or clearly the headband. Headband is probably going to be the easiest because you don't have to leave any hair out. You can put all your hair back and then just put the headband on. Or you can leave it just like this and then brush it back and put the headband on, which this will probably look better because then you can do, well, you can do baby edges on both. So I guess either way is fine, but I highly recommend this wig. It's really pretty. Like I said, it's going to last about a month because it's synthetic. I've had it before. So like I said, I've ordered 2. If you can catch the sale now on Sam's Beauty, they're $9.99. So you can probably buy 3 if you want. And that's $30. And that's for 3 months, you know? So I think I'm going to order maybe 2 more because I think I want to do this color for a while. Like I said, I have the curly one also, which I'm going to do a video on when I bust that one out. But right now I have something to do, so I'm not going to make that video right now. I don't remember telling you the name of the wig because I was rushing, which is so crazy of me. But it's called Outre Quick Weave Brazilian Boutique Volume Pressed. So that's what it will look like. And again, the color is Dr27613, which is the perfect blend. I wanted to show you guys how it looks with the headband, with a little bit of edges out. It's really cute. So thank you for watching. I will be posting way more videos. I have a lot of stuff coming for you guys. And I'm sorry I've been going for so long. Bye.